In this video, we're going to talk about scaling your business and how to generate maximum profits. The goal here is to automate as much of the work as you can and to reach as much profits as possible. So it's going to be a step-by-step process. And the first thing you're going to be doing is upgrading your Shopify plan, which is to the second plan. This is because it's gonna save you a lot of money when you start making lots of sales, because with every sale you'll be paying something to Shopify. So upgrading to the second plan is the wise thing to do here. And this is when you actually start your business and reach a certain point. So you don't have to do these right from the get-go, but you will want to do this once you reach a steady flow of income. So the second thing you'll be doing is scaling your Facebook campaigns. And in the next videos, I'll show you how to do that. And another thing you'll be doing is scaling your Instagram campaigns. So basically everything we'll be doing on Instagram, I'll show you how to scale that up. And after that, you'll be hiring outsourcers. And this will be at a point where your business is booming and you want to make this essentially a business and not somewhere you have to work every single day. So hiring an outsourcer is the best thing to do. And I'll show you how to hire the best outsourcers. And essentially at the end, the goal here is to automate everything. And I'll also be talking about how to automate as much as you can right from the get-go. So in the next videos, I'll walk you through all these steps, and I'll walk you through how to scaling your Facebook campaigns, how to scale your Instagram campaigns, outsourcers, everything else. So just keep in mind that this is a step-by-step process, and you don't have to do this right from the get-go, and you'll be doing this at a certain point where you will reach a good amount of profits every month.